Supreme Court today granted bail to Ashoka University professor Ali Khan Mahmoodabad. The professor had been arrested based on a complaint by the Haryana Women's Commission chief Renu Bhatia and a BJP Yuva Morcha Sarpanch. The women's panel had claimed that Ali Khan's social media posts on Operation Sindoor insulted Colonel Sophia Qureshi, who had held government press briefings. A number of professors had come out in solidarity with Ali Khan, saying he was being unnecessarily targeted only for expressing his opinion. Today's Supreme Court bail order contains many riders raising questions over the right to free speech. A report from Anisha Mathur.
Two social media posts landed Ashoka University professor Ali Khan Mahmoodabad in jail, facing charges of sedition, outraging modesty of women by allegedly attacking the two officers, the faces of Operation Sindoor. What resulted was a nationwide debate. What was it that professor said? Was it an assault on academic expression? Was it an assault on freedom of speech? On Wednesday, the top court, the bench of justices Surya Kant and N. Koteshwar Singh granted interim bail but also schooled Professor Khan. Why make political comment during national crisis? You claim freedom of expression. What about duty to nation? Why veer into politics? Why gain cheap popularity on this occasion? This is what is called dog whistling. You have a right to express without hurting others. Use terms which is simple, respectful and not hurtful to others. Why make a social media statement at all? The Supreme Court in its order did grant interim bail, but also said Supreme Court gagged Professor Khan to not post or write on the issue. No comment to be made by Professor on the terror attack recently faced by the country. Haryana to set up 3-member SIT. Police to clarify what statement insulted women. The court also questioned the Haryana government. Where is the statement in the post which insulted women officers? The government lawyer did not have any answers and asked for time. The same bench on Monday had passed an order in the case of MP Minister Vijay Shah, who communally charged public speech was criticized heavily. The same bench had directed the Madhya Pradesh police to set up an SIT to investigate the case against the Tribal Affairs Minister of Madhya Pradesh, but did not pass any gag order like with Professor Khan. Professor Mahmoodabad will likely to be released from jail late Thursday, and the court will take up his plea against the FIR now on Friday. In the meantime, the Haryana police have questioned foreign travel by the Oxford-educated professor and asked for his bank details and passport. While the top court's order giving interim relief to Professor Khan but also cracking down on him for his posts leaves a larger question to be addressed. What impact will the court's order have on freedom of expression in India?
Interim bail granted but with a gag order and now an SIT investigation. This case has thrown up serious questions of freedom of expression and how courts are interpreting comments made during a national crisis. In New Delhi, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.